am so proud of myself. You will be feeling so proud of me as well because I just downed it within 2 hours of the show. Yes, it had kale in it. Yes. I am that person. Okay, and as far as the studio is concerned, the lights are bright. Everything's being recorded, and you're not only listening to this, you're actually watching this on video as well. Well, that's great. Awesome. Thank you so much for joining me. And it is always wonderful to go ahead and check out the video for, the show as well. And you can go ahead and check it out on the Hum FM official page. या फिर मेरे किसी भी social media पे जाएंगे, you'll find tons of videos over there as well. Just look up The Alina Shah. Okay, right now, बढ़ते हैं हमारे शहर के मौसम की जानिब. Let's check out what's happening in H-Town. And what's happening in the stock market, what's happening with Bitcoin. Well, sabse pehle to, yes, the weather is amazing. It is raining on and off, so make sure that you drive carefully. Because इस वाली बारिश में जो है ना वो extra skidding होती है. Water planing होती है. So yeah, watch out for that. 81 degrees right now. Today we're expecting a high of 88 with a low of 79 tonight. Tomorrow is going to be 91, 77 और बारिश की भी expectation है. So make sure you plan accordingly. इसके अलावा we have an accident that is on 45 northbound at Spring Cypress causing delays in your morning commute. Moving on towards the stock market, and this can be a zen moment. It is finally green. S&P 500 is up 0.22%. Dow is up 0.08%. Nasdaq is up 0.53%. Crude oil is at 94.31. Gold is at 1763. और इस वक्त बिटकॉइन बिल्कुल भी नहीं हिल रहा है. कल से नहीं हिला, रींग रहा है. इसको कहते हैं रींगना. It is at 21,520. Some of the interesting news जो मैं आपके साथ शामिल करना चाह रही हूँ. Yes, एक news तो ये है that we are actually talking about the new images that have just come out of the James Webb Telescope. That is my most favorite thing in this entire universe is the James Webb Telescope. जो कि दूर दूर की गैलेक्सीज की और स्टार्स की ऐसी प्यारी प्यारी तस्वीरें लेकर भेज रही है. And you're like, ये हमारा घर है, हम इस यूनिवर्स में रहते हैं. So yeah, I'm loving it. And the James Webb Telescope has just taken some really nice pictures of Jupiter. Go ahead and look at that. Not only that, I've got something very spooky for you. Well, NASA released the audio of what a black hole sounds like. And being on radio, I think we need to play it. Sara music band kar diya jaye. And this is what a black hole sounds like. Are you ready? Thoda sa jigar tham lijiye because it is. I'll tell you after that. Okay, there it is. That is what a black hole sounds like. Whew, scary. I don't think ये आवाज़ें सुनने के बाद I'm willing to go into a black hole. No. Alrighty, और इसी के साथ we have some interesting news actually. Especially ये जो news is coming straight from Harvard Business School. हमारे यहाँ जो है ना वो बड़ा शौक होता है पेरेंट्स को कि उनके बच्चे जो हैं वो आला तालीम हासिल करें. You know what I'm talking about? सारे पेरेंट्स को यही शौक होता है. But especially in our Desi community, we are so education-centric and focused and disciplined about it. And that is just one of the amazing things about us, That is one of the reasons we are so successful. And we have so much money to spend. So Harvard Business School is making tuition free for more MBAs. You heard it right. The news is out. A need-based scholarship program जो है वो launch किया है. And this need-based scholarship program will cover the cost of full tuition and fees for roughly 10% of MBA candidates at Harvard Business School. Great news. Just go ahead. It was on the Wall Street Journal. जहाँ से मैंने ये न्यूज़ आपके लिए शामिल की है. Because I know right now बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को टेक्स्ट कर रहे होंगे. बहुत सारे बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स को टेक्स्ट कर रहे होंगे. और ना जाने कौन से ग्रुप में ये डाल रहा होगा कि Harvard Business School is making tuition free for more MBAs. You may be eligible. Who knows? Alrighty, living the American dream. Starting off at Harvard Business School. Isn't that just so cool?